The name change to ADLM reflects the future of laboratory medicine, and our annual meeting really falls in line with that. So really understanding where the field is not only today, but in the future is really what we are driving to see in the 2024 meeting. One of the best parts of the annual meeting is connecting with friends and peers, sharing ideas, hearing the latest science, and really walking away with a better sense of how to practice clinical laboratory medicine from those that are trusted and respected in the field. As the chair of the 2024 ADLM annual meeting, we can expect to see increased focus in the areas of bench-to-bedside technologies. What is going to impact our field not only today, but in 5 and 10 years. Understanding practical applications to better understand how we can navigate and provide care acutely and with high fidelity, but then also understanding the evolving landscape of precision medicine.